Hey there, so in this video I want to show you how you can get some extra free credits for Base44. The first method is of course to sign up for a free plan. Therefore you will find my partner link down here in the video description. When you click on it, you're helping me and my channel to make more of these videos, so thank you a lot. So just click on it and it will bring you to this page, and here you simply can click on start building, and then you can sign up either with Google or your email and a password. And once you've done this, you are on the free plan, and on the free plan you get 25 message credits, meaning that you can send 25 messages to the AI in order to build your app or your website, and you get 100 integration credits, meaning that you can do 100 of different integration actions. And when you don't know what that is, you can scroll down here, and here they explain it to you. Integration credits are, for example, when someone is using your app and the app will make a call to, for example, a large language model such as ChatGPT, or if the app is sending an email or an SMS or simply runs a database query, then an integration credit will be used. And please be aware, on the free plan you are only allowed to use 5 message credits a day and a monthly recap of 25 messages. So I hope this clears up what you will get on the free plan, but I think you already knew that. But if you haven't signed up, please find the link down below. But once you have signed up, you will see a second option to find more credits. Therefore, let's sign in. Now we are in the dashboard of Base44, and up here in the right corner you see this icon here, and it says invite friends and earn credits. So you can simply copy this code, send it to your friends via email or WhatsApp, and then when they sign up for Base44 they get 10 credits extra, and when they publish their first app you will get 10 extra credits. But please be aware, you can only do this 5 times, so find your 5 best friends and then you can share the link with them. But Base44 didn't stop there. There are more options. For example, when we log in one of these apps here, then up here in the left corner you see your credits, and down here you can win more credits. So simply click on it, and then you can make a social media post about Base44. And here in the bullet points you see what you need to do. So tag Base44, write at least 200 characters about your experience building an app with Base44, and your account has to have more than 100 followers, and then you simply add a screenshot of your project, and you need to link your project, but this is optional in the post. For example, you can do this on Twitter or LinkedIn, and once you have done this you need to open up a support ticket and then send the social media post over to the support team, and once they have reviewed your post you will get the extra credits. So just click here on open support ticket, and then you can tell them what you did. You made a LinkedIn post, for example, about Base44, and you want your 20 extra free credits, and once confirmed they will add this to your balance, of course. And now there's one last option you can do, and therefore just go back to your home screen here, go back to the workspace, and then click on integrations, and here you can click on my integrations or just scroll down and click on create an integration. And up here you see the message, when you build your own integration you can earn up to 250 credits. So just create a public integration that gets approved by the Base44 team, and you will be rewarded with a 250 credits bonus to your account. And of course you need some technical knowledge, so you just have to describe the integration, what the integration does, and then you have some integration content like the code, the API call, for example, and then here's some JavaScript code. And once you've done this, of course it takes some technical knowledge, but the integration, if it gets approved by Base44 and if this is helpful for the general public, then you earn your 250 credits. But of course this seems like some work. I mean, sharing a link with friends is simpler, and building a full integration might be a little bit harder. But if you run out of credits and there are no more free credits, of course you need to upgrade, and therefore you can simply go on pricing, and the next plan would be the starter plan, and it will give you 100 message credits per month. I'm personally on the builder plan with 250 message credits, and to be fair, this is a lot of credits. I haven't used them all by now, and I built many apps already, so this is really enough credits to use. And about the integration credits, you probably only need them when your app gets some traction, when customers are coming to your site and are using your app. So for now I think you're good with the starter plan or the builder plan, and yeah, of course you can always start with a free plan. And if you have any other questions to Base44, feel free to leave down a comment. You will also find some more videos on my channel to Base44, and remember, here is the free sign up link, and if you're down there please also give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that this was a good video. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next one. Bye.